Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. You guys know by the title of the video that we are going to be talking about Arbitrum. What's happening with the price of Arbitrum and where are we going in the immediate short term? If you like these kind of videos, do not forget to smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right in today's topic. So if we're looking at the price of Arbitrum right now, it is currently trading at $1.38. It's down 1.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 1.8% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. But if we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $1.76 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is approaching that $1 billion. And that is definitely something nice to point out for you guys. And Arbitrum is starting to slowly creep up towards the upside. And I really do believe that things can start heating up for the price of Arbitrum in the upcoming month of April. We could potentially see a new all-time high set for Arbitrum, and that is going to be very exciting. And that could be the catalyst behind a massive explosive move towards the upside. Maybe FOMO is going to begin. If altcoin season were to begin, Arbitrum could be one of the top performers without a doubt. So if we're looking at the update for the overall claimed Arbitrum right now, it is sitting at 89%. So we're seeing that percentage go up over time. And I was expecting that obviously more and more people are going to come and start claiming their Arbitrum tokens over time. And we're currently sitting at 89%. So there's still about 11% of the rewards that need to be claimed as of now. But with about 89%, we can start talking about price discussions now. We're closer and closer to the amount of 100% for the entire staked. I'm sorry, not staked. Entire the rewards that were distributed for Arbitrum. If we're looking at the price, before we jump into the price, guys, as always, like I've mentioned, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you're investing in crypto. But if we're looking at the price of Arbitrum, just in a matter of a few days, we're seeing a very impressive move towards the upside. And obviously the price of Bitcoin and overall momentum of Bitcoin does play a huge role in this as well. But the main reason as to why I'm thinking is because Arbitrum has, even when it was around 60-70% claimed, we saw the price really hold very strong above that dollar mark. We did not breach the dollar mark, and that shows the strength and the confidence investors have for itself. But again, that should not be a surprise for any one of us right now at this point, because of obviously, this was one of the most highly anticipated launches for a native token of a blockchain. And obviously that coming to light, a lot of people are interested. And right now you guys can see, if you picked up some Arbitrum at March 28th, around that $1.11 mark, you are already up about 24%. So that is nice, a very impressive gain, to be quite frank with you guys. And right now we are seeing Arbitrum definitely in an upwards trajectory formation forming, and we could potentially retest the new an all-time high, which would be above $1.60. You could make a statement, it went up to $5. I don't include that listing initial price. That's not an all-time high. That's just a quick wick. And one in a million person will actually get lucky to sell at that point. But obviously the buyer won't be lucky at that point, because they're down tremendous amounts from that point. But we are very close to all-time highs, and that is very impressive. If I bring out the measuring tool, we're about 16% only away to reach the all-time high for Arbitrum. And things can really start ripping very, very fast, especially when the price is in price discovery. Depends on how much volume is on the side of Arbitrum. Things can really start getting exciting. And if we're looking at the 15-minute chart, the same thing. The coin hasn't been in the markets for too long for us to kind of do analysis, but obviously, it's no secret at this point that the trend that Arbitrum is in right now is in an upwards trend formation, which is a nice thing to point out for you guys. And obviously the month of April is coming. If Bitcoin finally decides to take a little bit of a cool off, right now Bitcoin did go above $28,680 level of resistance. So Bitcoin is not cooling off right now, but if Bitcoin went and started cooling off around this range and Bitcoin dominance decided to pull down, altcoin season is going to begin. And that's where Arbitrum, I personally believe, can really start moving up very fast. A lot of people are saying $10, $20, and to be quite frank with you guys, I wouldn't write that off. I'm not going to write that off because, previous bull cycle, we saw Uniswap, Polkadot, all these coins that were airdropped that went absolutely bonkers the previous bull cycle. So those prices that people are coming up with, $10, $20, to be quite frank, can definitely happen for Arbitrum. In order for it to reach about $8 to $9, that would be like I would say $8. Yeah, $8. That would be, here, let's do the calculation, actually, exact calculation. So 1.7 times 5, okay, 1.7 times 6. Okay, so 1.37 times 6. So it would be, yeah, I was right. I had to do calculation. I pulled out a calculator on my phone in order for to tell you guys this, but a $10 billion market cap would put Arbitrum at $8.22. And I could see that happening for this project very soon. And again, everything on this channel is not financial advice, only time's going to tell, but I'm talking about other projects, similar type of launches, similar airdrops, previous bull cycles, previous altcoin seasons that have exploded. And I do see Arbitrum being one of them this cycle as well. So that is currently the scenario for Arbitrum. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'm thinking to pick some up. I honestly thought, as this number grew, of the overall claim, we might see Arbitrum retesting maybe $1.90, but no, Arbitrum is showing its strength, and I personally might accumulate some if it were to dip a little bit more, or I might just dollar cost average in, because I do believe that Arbitrum hasn't even started its rally as of now. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Arbitrum going, and do you agree with my analysis, and are you guys enjoying these videos? If yes, please continue liking, commenting, and subscribing. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.